The WHA3000 and P hot air stations from Weller allow you to build a workplace which adapts perfectly to your requirements. The WHA3000 is operated by compressed air or inert gas, and the WHQ3000P with a built-in turbine. They can be used alone or in sets with the board holder WBH3000S and the 2 zones preheat plate WHP3000. Both devices have the same patented hot air technology from Weller in common, a guarantee of seamless integration for all the components. A stable architecture ensures reproducible cycles, and the added software allows you a menu-based control over the process. The individual WHA3000 and P systems represent enduring hot air stations with superior quality and an unbeatable price-performance ratio.